Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Only a quick update here because it hasn't really moved much since my last update, and the expected price decline into the yellow support area for a wave 4 here is reached. So we've reached target here. Anywhere from in here, I would primarily, if this is a bullish count, expect a move to the upside in a fifth wave, probably into the region around $90. Then we at least have 3 waves up. I would then still expect a shallow wave 4 retracement in blue and a wave 5 up. So bear in mind, last few videos we talked about down here, we were down here, we said this could be a possible bullish pattern and a possible long trade setup, which then delivered on this as we moved up in wave 3. Did even overshoot, so wave 3 in white, it did even overshoot some of our targets by I think around $5 here. And now we're coming down. The move down is currently of a very corrective nature. So it actually confirms the overall short-term bullish outlook. And we are still back in the channel though. But if we break out and move up in a fifth wave, it would mean that we're most likely going to break out of the channel to the upside. So generally at the moment, this looks interesting. Litecoin is one of the stronger charts, short-term, very short-term. In my opinion, and that's only my opinion, this is not worth for anything else than just a swing trade at the moment, because long term this chart is sick. Yeah, it is what it is. It is, yeah. Short term, it is obviously showing some strength. I don't know why. The reasons don't really matter in TA. It's all about why, what is it actually doing, and then reacting to it. And this had some bullish potential. It's showing that at the moment. It even broke above this trend line of the larger channel that you can see here on the chart. So it might very well be we're coming down to that support again. That will be here around $74, $75. That would be in line with the 38.2% retracement as well at $74, because this is the most likely retracement or most likely target for a fourth wave. And I think from here we have another chance to move up in wave 5. So the bullish pattern is still in play here. It will become close to invalidation and probably get invalidated if the price drops below $71. So below that, I would not trust this bullish outlook anymore. Yeah, very clearly. And I have my concerns about this chart as well. So you need to understand that, because this is only a leading diagonal of the June low. This is not a great pattern to start a, let's call it a bull run, or yeah, it is most likely not going to work out then, or at least it is not reliable. Let's call it like that. This is not reliable until you can see the green wave count, yeah? Until I see the wave 1, well, that's done. The wave 2, the wave 3 needs to be complete. I want to see a wave 4 complete and a wave 5. And then to be more confident to say that an overall low has been made, I want to see the ABC pattern down, where we will hold a higher low. Oops, not like that. Where we hold a higher low, and then from here we obviously need to move higher and break the highs, but at least I want to see those 5 wave up moves, those moves complete. I want to see 3 waves down complete, hold support, and yeah, that will be giving us confidence. The problem with this chart is mainly that it is just long term not very healthy. Talked about that before. Yes, it made a new high here in the last bull run. That is at least not as bad as some other coins. The main problem though I've got with this chart, but that doesn't necessarily relate only to Litecoin. It's more if you look at Litecoin versus Bitcoin, BTC, then you just see how Litecoin is in a lifetime downtrend versus Bitcoin. And it just hasn't done enough to confirm anything different. Yeah, you've always had spikes here, but it just is losing out against Bitcoin. Why would I want to invest in an altcoin, which is naturally more risky, and it's losing out over Bitcoin long term? Yes, short term it looks a bit exciting, but then again, until it goes above this high at 7197, I wouldn't really consider any trend change, and it's still making lower lows, lower highs at the moment. And if it plays out what has played out numerous times before, this will come down hard. Okay, so be careful, set your stop losses. Okay, and that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.